Here it is in living color for you. Watch for the vortices.
120 miles an hour.
Watch for the touchdown.
Already getting ready for the reverse.
There it is.
Sliding open. Get ready for it. Push it back, push it back.
Nobody is shooting at them right now, but you can just imagine the tactical surprise of bringing in a C-17 like this. Give the Loadmasters a wave as they return the C-17, the backbone of air mobility, right here to America's Airshow, the largest military air show in America, often taking place right here. How about that, huh?
Pilots Nick Osmondson, Captain Andrew Butler, Captain Erica Joffrey, and the Loadmasters you saw waving there, Staff Sergeant Aaliyah Barris, Staff Sergeant Tiffany Smith, a highly experienced crew with over 12,000 combined flying hours.
Now, this is an airplane that is just remarkable. You often see it in disaster.